Most cars you see today follow a formula. Sharp headlights, aggressive grills, similar silhouettes. But some cars refuse to follow rules. They looked strange, sometimes even wrong. Yet they became unforgettable. Because these cars were not designed to impress everyone. They were designed to be different. And today we're looking at 5 cars that truly broke all design rules. Let's start with a car that doesn't even look like a car. The Volkswagen Beetle. No sharp edges, no aggression, just a soft, rounded shape like a tiny moving creature. At a time when cars are big and bold, this one chose to be simple, friendly, almost alive. Even its engine was placed at the rear, completely different from the norm. And somehow this weird design became one of the most loved cars in history, because sometimes being different is exactly what makes you timeless. Now imagine this, what if someone designed a car that looks like a literal box? That's exactly what Nissan did. The Nissan Cube. Flat side, square body, and the most shocking part, an asymmetrical rear window. Yes, one side is different from the other. Inside it feels more like a cozy room than a car. This wasn't built to look sporty, it was built to feel unique. And whether you love it or hate it, you definitely can't ignore it. Now this one is not just different, it's almost unbelievable. The BMW Isetta. A car where you don't enter from the side but from the front. The entire front opens like a refrigerator door. And the steering wheel? It moves along with it. Tiny, compact, almost like a toy, but in crowded cities this was actually genius. It proved one thing: cars don't always need to be big to be smart. And then there's the future. Or at least what Tesla thinks the future looks like. The Cybertruck. No curves, no traditional design, just sharp lines like it was drawn with a ruler. It looks more like a concept from a video game than a real car on the road. Built with stainless steel, bold, aggressive, and unapologetically different. Some people called it ugly, others called it revolutionary. But one thing is certain, you've never seen anything like it before. And finally, something closer to home. The Tata Nano. Not designed to look premium, not designed to be powerful, but designed with one simple idea: to make car ownership possible for everyone. Extremely compact, minimal design, and even a rear-mounted engine. It wasn't trying to impress. It was trying to solve a problem. And that is a different kind of innovation. Some cars chase perfection, but these cars chose personality over perfection. They didn't follow trends. They created their own identity. And that's why years later we're still talking about them. So tell me, which of these cars felt the most crazy to you?